Hey guys, so I am getting ready to go to the gym, and I bought these this morning and I love them. What I love is it goes all the way up here, so it sucked me in on my problem area, and it's cute. It's only $12.99. Can't beat this. Yes. So I'm heading to the gym now, and I'm gonna do a little bit of cardio because I missed one day this week. I normally don't go to the gym on a Saturday, but I need that extra workout. So that's the goal today. Yep. So guys, I've been reading Tar Baby, and at first I was like, it's okay, but then Sun. I like Sun. Something about Sun. Some don't add up, but there's just something about him that, you know, make me want to know, like, okay, what's going on with him. And I'm loving a bit of the drama part as well. So I have about 100, a little over 100 pages to go, but I'm not gonna like try and finish it this weekend. I kind of want to slow read it the end, but it depends on how good it gets. You know, I might end up finishing it, so we'll see. But I do have some other books I want to pick up, so we'll see how that turns out. But Dee Dee picked a good book. So I don't know how you guys are doing with the book, but I hope everybody's enjoying it like I am. So guys, I read a few more pages, so now I'm at $2.15. So yeah, so I'm almost done. I'm probably not gonna finish this tonight because I need to edit my blog post for tomorrow. So by the time this vlog is up, my blog post will be up. I haven't titled it yet, but so I'm probably gonna do for the rest of the night. Well, no, I'm probably gonna pick up the last book for the Mary Monroe series, Lonely Heart, Deadly Heart. I want to finish that this weekend, so I can do the full review of the series. Yeah. That series is driving me nuts, but I'm gonna finish it. And that's pretty much it for the night. So I'm gonna edit this, do a little bit of reading, probably check out Denise's live vlog that she does, not vlog, but live video that she does on Saturdays. And that's it for the night. So yeah, short vlog, just a little bit of Saturday, a typical Saturday. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and how is your weight loss journey going? And how about Tar Baby? If you're reading Tar Baby, how are you liking it so far? Let me know.